What is one of my favorite things for gardening? Bananas. Well, not quite bananas, but the banana peel. So we're going to make banana tea to give nutrients to our garden. So you are going to take the banana peels, get your teapot, cut this banana peel into your teapot, however many you have. If you have one, if you have four, whatever you have, cut them and put them into your teapot. Easy peasy. Pour boiling water over the banana peels. You're going to let it steep for a couple of hours. Just let it sit for a couple of hours, and all those nutrients from the banana peels are going to go into the water, and then you're going to take this tea when it's cold and you can water it, your indoor plants, your garden outside, whatever plants you want to use to water. Banana peels have so many nutrients for the garden. They have calcium that promotes root growth, sulfur that helps develop the roots, phosphorus that improves the fruiting and flowering of plants. They're excellent for your tomatoes, your peppers, your flowers, and they contain calcium in the tea that is so beneficial in so many ways to your soil. So when you eat a banana, take those beautiful banana peels, make yourself a tea, and you can use that to water your plants, whether it's indoor, outdoor, whatever you like, right? All of these are the little things that nature gives us to improve our soil. Banana tea is one of them, and you have a great day.